Question 13. The cube root of 125, I'm looking for a number times itself to give me 125. And our number would be 5. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. Adding together fractions, the bottoms have to be the same. So I'd have to multiply this one by 2, which would be 4 over 16. Now my bottoms are the same, they stay the same. 4 add 4 is 8. 8 goes into 8 once, and 8 goes into 16 twice. So it would be a half. To find 20%, I can find 10%, which would be 12.5. Doubling it, 20%, double 12.5 would be 25. I'd find 10%, which is 8. I would find 5%, which is 4. I'd find 2.5%, which would be 2. I want 12.5, so I put my 10 and my 2.5 together, which is 8 and 2, which gives me a total of 10. Drawing this would help you see it. How many square centimetres? Square, 100 by 100. In 1 square metre, there's 100 centimetres in 1 metre. So if I go 1 square metre, that would be 100 centimetres by 100 centimetres. Well, 100 times 100, 10,000 square centimetres. Multiplying in St Kenneth, we like to use the grid, so I'd be working out 34 times 23, and then I would be putting my dot back in. So 34 times 23, 2 times 3 is 6, add the 2 zeros. 2 times 4 is 8, add the 0. 3 times 3 is 9, add the 0. 3 times 4 is 12. Adding all these up, very carefully, 2, 10, 18, 7. I look back at my question, I've got 2 numbers after the dot altogether, so I need 2 in my answer. So my dot would have to go there, 7.82. Okay, Pavel and Sam in the ratio 3:2, there are 5 parts altogether. What percentage of votes did Pavel get? Well, he had 3 out of 5. 1/5 is 20%, so 3/5 would be 60%. Rounding to one significant figure, so I'm rounding my first number. Because of 8, we've got to round up, so it needs to be rounded up to 7.